Hello there and welcome to this short video introduction about our company IT Near You, the computer support and services company near you in the Greater Wellington region. And one of the areas we support quite a bit is the Lower Hutt area in the Hutt Valley. So if you have a problem with your computer, be it a Windows machine or a Mac, we don't judge you on what you decide to use, we just fix it. That's what we do. Be it an old Mac or a new Mac, the new M1 series or M2 series or just general Apple Silicon, we can help you with that. Maybe you got a new iPhone, maybe you got a new Android, you need to transfer data between iPhone and iPhone or Android and Android, or maybe you're switching from Android to iPhone. Perhaps you've got an issue with your smart TV. Perhaps you have an issue with your Wi-Fi in your house being terrible. We do both home and business customers. For home users, we'll send you a mobile tech support person, and for business users, you'll have an IT consultant. They can help with all sorts of things like business strategy, help you with your social media strategy. We can even advise you and translate the jargon that any third-party users might give you. So if you're planning on buying a service, we can help you and advise you on the right course of action to take, and someone just doesn't pull the wool over your eyes with some fancy techno babble. So yeah, if you're having a problem with IT anywhere in the Lower Hutt area, give us a call. We're IT Near You. We're the IT support and services company near you in the Greater Wellington region, as well as Lower Hutt.